Okay, here we have one other problem. X squared plus y squared equal to 20. And x times y equal to -6. This is given to, it looks like, yeah. And they ask us what is x minus y equal to how many. Now we will use this x minus y squared equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Right? We know this formula. Now I rewrite a little bit so that we can see a little bit. X squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Right? X squared plus y squared, we already know is 20 minus 2 times x times y. X times y is -6. So the total result, 20 plus 12 is 32. So x minus y equal to positive, negative, root 32. And positive, negative 4 times root 2. Theoretically, we know this answer, but I just cannot guess which this number is. 5 root 2. I cannot figure it out just now. 3 and 2. 3. I cannot yet. So x minus y is positive, negative 4 root 2. This is the answer.